Hi friends, this is Dr. Shikha Datta and I am back with the next video on external and internal measures of promoting PR. In the previous video, we discussed about functions of the PR department of an organization. Internal public relations is more on establishing good interpersonal relationships within the organization, whereas the focus of external public relations is more on building an impressive image of organization for the people. The objective of both are same, that is developing and sustaining mutual understanding between the organization and respective public. Now, external public relations is concerned with reaching opinion formers like the government officials, consumer groups, the NGO, and the media representatives, customers, clients, investors, and community representatives. External public relations include well-drafted letters, faxes, email, advertisements, and press release. Efficiently organized seminars, exhibitions, and conferences, and community-related activities. They reflect the organization's attitude, its commitment, and its social responsibility. To build a long-lasting image for organization, the public relations department may adopt the following methods for external PR. The first is open house, second is exhibitions, fairs and shows, third is conference and seminars, fourth is mass media. Now let's begin with open house. The family and friends of the personal form a large part of external public. They are quite eager to know more about the employee's place and nature of the work. Some organizations have open house day. On these days, family members of the personnel are invited to visit the factory or workplace. Well organized and conducted uh, tours of the workplace give the family a feeling of reassurance and security. Second is exhibition, fairs, and shows. In this, participating or organizing exhibition, fairs, and shows provide an organization with the opportunity to not only showcase its products but also to interact with competitors and prospective customers and to promote itself. Both participants and organizing committees, these activities require extensive planning. Third one is conference and seminars. An organization plans and organize conference and seminars so that people with similar interest can gather to discuss new marketing strategy or innovation in their respective fields or to analyze common problems faced or to exchange views on a new technique introduced. This place may belong to the same organization but from different areas or branches, or they may be from various organizations. These conferences and seminars may be of state level, national level, international level, irrespective of the kind of conference organized. These are the opportunities for the organization to exchange their own feelings as well as the images. Organizing conferences and seminars require extensive planning once again. The dates and venues have to be decided so that they are convenient to the delegates expected. Resource persons and speakers have to be contacted once the topics are decided, and invitations and stationery have to be taken care of. Arrangements have to be made for the travel and accommodation of the speakers and delegates. If the conference is spread over more days, cultural programs and visits or to places of the interest have to be organized. Fourth one is mass media. Now, mass media includes newspapers, magazines, trade journals, radio, television, and now the internet are means of mass communication. You can reach a large number of people of varied kind in very short time. Mass media is employed by public relation professionals to promote products and services of an organization and to inform people about the same. Radio and televisions are better means to reach out to the large number of illiterate people in our country, as they may understand the audio and visual media better than the printed ones. Although public relation is not only about advertising and interacting with the press, they are both important aspects of things are there. Therefore, public press plays an important and influential role in creating, developing, and reflecting public opinion. Therefore, it is important for the public relations department to have good liaison with the press. Newspaper occupy leading position as a medium of mass communication, as they are more widely read than magazines, trade or technical journals or any other printed matter. People believe that newspapers provide impartial and objective coverage of events, and so they have greater impact on the public mind. So, for the effective public relations, publicity in the press, especially the newspaper, and is conducted to be the most productive and most important way of giving the information. Internal PR, the internal audience of an organization comprises its employees at various levels. The pros and cons are always there, and there are different ways of doing this internal PR. First is the in-house journal, magazine, or news boards featuring articles, photographs, news and views, and competitions, quizzes, and different types of competitions you can organize, and promoting wedding details. There are birth and death announced for the other people to know. So therefore, announcement can be you can use as an announcement path and platform. This create a personal touch and so as a long way in creating inclusiveness and a sense of belonging and bondings. Apart from this, organizing picnic for employees with their families or the programs, film, then screening or annual sports day or other competitive activities are the other ways of creating and maintaining good relations with employees. Providing congenial work and recreation places is a very essential too. So the first is print media, which we have already discussed. The print media is the first essential and simplest tool it can be used in a variety of ways. Bulletins are used to give the employment the news about latest development. In-house journal and magazines or periodical booklets are also popular means. This usually contain a message from the management and on editorial focusing on the latest events on products. In addition to make them more interactive and participative, they may include articles by employees, and also they can write about the different news. Film, both documentary and entertainment, are a good way of engaging with the employees. When they are followed by the discussion, they afford an ideal platform for interacting with them in an informal setting and strengthening the employee management bond. Third, open house is a wonderful device for image building with the employees and their families. This achieve the purpose of having a sense of involvement with the commitment to the company, and picnic with the employees, and also news similar kind of activities can be organized. Fourth, off-site training programs are becoming another popular way for companies to achieve their dual objectives of providing both training and entertainment to their employee in an informal setting. Conference, whether internal or external, become a wonderful PR exercise to motivate uh, the employees and to update the knowledge, and indirectly benefits the company. The fifth one is exhibition and competitive form, yet another form of institution that is engaging, and they are not motivating employees, and they are also indirectly involved in that particular activities. Sixth one is implementation programs like active and counseling or suggestion scheme. This is very important, help in strengthening the bond between the management and employees. This is wonderful elements that one should practice in the company or any organization. With this, I feel the video is quite helpful for understanding the role of PR.